Is it possible to create S3 bucket by using Terraform? Hi, this is Raviteja. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 33 class. In this class, we are going to learn about how we can create S3 bucket by using Terraform. Also, how we can upload a file into S3 bucket. These two things we are going to understand in today's class. Make sure that you have to practice well. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today, I am going to create S3 bucket and also I am going to upload a file into S3 bucket by using Terraform script. Okay, let me show you how we can do that. First of all, I'm going to create a folder. It's the name S3 bucket Terraform. Okay, open VS Code file, open folder. We have to select which folder we have created recently. S3 bucket Terraform. Select this folder. Don't save. Okay, in this I'm going to create Terraform block, provider block, and also resource block. Okay, first I'm going to create the Terraform block .tf. Enter. You already know which script we have to write in the Terraform block, right? Let me show you once again. In this, we have to mention the version and also the source, which source we are using. These two things we have to mention in the resource block, sorry, Terraform block. Okay. And don't forget to save this file, save this. And then I'm going to create the provider block as well, provider.tf. In this provider.tf, we have to mention which provider we are going to use, right? Provider AWS. Open this and region equal to US hyphen east hyphen 1. Okay. We have to mention the region and also which provider we are going to use. And don't forget to save this file. Now I am going to create the resource block and I am mentioning the name as s3.tf. Enter. Okay. In this, I'm going to use this is the script for creating S3 bucket. Copy this and paste it. The script I will give in the description. Okay. Resource, it is AWS S3 bucket. The name is example and the bucket name is this. You can change the name whatever you want. The name should be unique. Okay. Terraform bucket AWS hyphen DevOps. The name should be unique and click on file. Save this. Okay. Open terminal. Now only I'm going to create S3 bucket. I am not going to do uploading the file and also I am not going to enable any versions and also bucket policies, right? Just I am going to create S3 bucket and let me observe what happens in the S3 bucket. Okay. Uh, Save this and then say command which is Terraform init. I'm going to initializing by using this name, the bucket is going to be create. It's still initializing. We have to wait for some time.
Okay, Terraform has been successfully initialized, right? Now what I'm supposed to do is I'm going to say the command which is Terraform validate. It is going to check whether the script having syntactical errors or not. Okay, configuration is valid. Now I'm going to say the command which is Terraform plan. This command is going to say what are the resources are going to be created, how many resources are going to be created. It is going to display. Okay, plan one to add means the bucket one is going to be created. Okay, now I'm going to say the command which is Terraform apply. Enter. Say yes. AWS S3 bucket is going to be created in which region? ES East 1. Okay, completed. Let me check whether the bucket has been created or not. Do refresh. Okay, our bucket has been created, right? So you can click on this bucket name. There are no files and folders, right? And also click on properties. Bucket versioning is also disabled. So I am not going to do enable, right? MFA is also disabled. If you want to enable bucket versioning or if you want to enable the default inscription and server access login, you have to write the script and execute that script, then automatically it is going to be enabled. Now I'm going to enable bucket versioning. Okay, it is disabled, right? I'm going to enable the bucket versioning. Then what I supposed to do? This is the script for enabling bucket versioning. Copy. Okay, in s3.tf we have to write the script. Okay, bucket versioning. This is the keyword, and also we have already created the bucket, right? With the name example. The bucket is going to be called internally. The status is enabled. Now don't forget to save this and then say Terraform plan. Plan one to admins. The versioning is going to be enabled. Now I am going to say the command which is Terraform apply hyphen auto hyphen approve. Means it is not going to ask yes or no. It is directly going to be creating. Play completed. Now I'm going to check whether the bucket versioning is enabled or not. Do refresh. Okay. Are you able to see enabled? So by using script, the bucket versioning has been enabled. And also you can do same. You can write the script by default inscription enable. Then it is also going to be enabled. Everything we are going to do that, right? Okay. You can observe in this bucket there are no files and folders, right? No objects we have. Now I am going to upload a file by using Terraform script. Then let me observe whether the file is going to be uploaded or not. Which file I am going to upload is okay. This file I am going to upload in this S3 bucket. So what I supposed to do is I'm going to copy this file into this folder which I have created. Okay, let me observe. Okay, it is also comes under over here, right? So what I supposed to do is uh, this is the script for uploading S3 bucket, uploading a file into S3 bucket. So after versioning, okay, here we have to change something. The name is okay. How the name is actually that name should be used over here. Okay, click on rename and the copy the name. Okay, that name should be pasted here, and also you have to change here as well. How you can get the path? Let me show you how we are going to get the path. Okay, don't forget to save this. Okay, click on this file. Okay, click on this and copy this path. Okay, after Terraform, say slash and you have to give the PDF name. Okay, then you can get the path. This is the source. It is going to take your file. Okay. Okay, E tag means file MD5 means if you change anything in the file, uh, the modification is also observed. The modification is also modified in the S3 bucket file as well. If you skip this E tag, even you change in this file, it is not going to appear in the S3 bucket, which you have uploaded in previously. That should be goes to further, not modified. So you have to use E tag, then it is going to upload modified in the S3 bucket as well. Okay. And don't forget to save this file. Now you can save the command which is Terraform plan. We got an error. Let me check. Okay, here I have done a mistake. Say dot PDF, then it will be fine. Okay. Again save this file and then say Terraform plan. Okay. Here what we have supposed to do is copy this path and remove this. Okay, S3 bucket hyphen Terraform. Okay, same we have to change here Terraform. Okay, in this path we have this file, right? So you can observe here. I have forgotten to save this. So here in this S3 bucket dot Terraform, in this we have this file, right? So that's why you have to mention clearly. The file path should be mentioned clearly. Then only it is possible to get what we are expecting. So don't forget to save this and then say Terraform plan. Okay, versioning is refreshing state. So plan 1 to add means the file is going to be uploading. Now you can say Terraform apply. Then this file is going to be uploaded in the S3 bucket. Okay, plan 1 to add. Now you can observe. Okay, we have to wait. Okay, now you can observe whether the file is going to be uploaded or not. You can observe, do refresh. Okay, are you able to see this file has been uploaded, right? So click on this. You can also download it this. Click on download, it is going to be download in the downloads, right? It has been downloaded. This is the way of uploading and creating S3 bucket. Not only PDF, you can also upload in any format like text or Word, whatever the type you can upload like files and folders and also images, videos, everything you can upload by using this script. Okay, the script I will provide in the description. Make sure that you have to practice well. Okay, this is the way of creating. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments. Now I am going to destroy this. Destroy, enter. Now it is going to be destroyed. Okay, it is in refreshing state. We have to wait for some time. Okay, 3 to destroy means versioning S3 bucket and also file is going to be destroyed. Destroy completed. Now you can observe, do refresh. the bucket is should be delete. Okay, it is not available. So this is the process we have. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.